The conventional method of doing classification between cat and dog is during training we had to apply convolution, then max pooling to extract the most prominent features, again apply convolution and max pooling, finally create a dense layer which was fully connected with each neurons implies that the model to predict whether an image is a cat or dog. But in this video tutorial, I will show you how to convert this whole process into a model and then use that model in Flutter software development kit and make an application that looks like this. After that, all you have to do is click on either click a photo to open up camera and click a photo to predict whether it is a cat or dog, or just click on select a photo and select any image and it will show you the result. It is a cat. In the last video, I have explained how to create a neural network model, so make sure to watch that before this video. Link in the description and I button. Let's begin. To create any Flutter project, open up your Android Studio and then click on File and New. Select New Flutter Project. Select Flutter Application. Next, give it project name as classify underscore cat underscore dog. Make sure this Flutter SDK path is selected. And after that, click on Next, click Finish. Now our Flutter application for classifying cat and dog is created. Click on this arrow to see project structure and then open up pubspec.yaml to install dependencies, and we have to install dependency here. Open up your browser and search for pub.dev and then search for screen screen. Select this one, go to installing and scroll. Now copy this dependency name and we have to paste it right below Flutter here. Make sure it is aligned with Flutter. Flutter and splash screen are aligned. Again, go to your browser, go to pub.dev and search for image picker. Select this one, go to installing, copy this dependency name and paste it right below here. Same process, again we have to go to pub.dev and search for tflite for TensorFlow dependency. Select this one, go to installing and copy the dependency name, paste it here. One thing I forgot to do is if we go back to browser pub.dev image picker and scroll to installation, then we may find Android no configuration required. The plugin should work out of the box, and in iOS add the following keys to your info.plist located in iOS runner info.plist. We have to add and describe why app needs permission for photo library. So iOS runner info.plist, copy any key value pair and string pair and paste it 3 times. Copy this first key ns photo library usage description and paste it in key tag, and for value we can pass photo usage required. Just telling why we need permission for photo library. Copy this second key ns camera usage description, paste it inside key tag, and in value in string tag type camera usage required. Copy this third key ns microphone usage description, and key tag, paste it in value we can say microphone usage required. And that's all. Just control save, and image picker will work for iOS system also. Now all of our dependencies selected. Once again, go to README section of TF Lite and scroll to installation. And here it says in Android app build.gradle. Following code we have to add in Android. So copy it and go to Android app build.gradle and scroll to find the Android block, and we have to paste that code right here. Paste it. And one more thing, we have to modify something, like we have to change the mean SDK version from 16 to 19 for better working with TF Lite, target SDK version for 29, and compile SDK version also to 29 for better working with image picker library. It will show an error, but it is fine with our development. Click on Pubgit to get all of the dependency needed for our project. Wait until it says process finish with exit code 0. Now we are good. Now we have to click on project, new directory, and name it as assets. To add assets to our working project, we have to go to firststep.yaml and uncomment these assets, and right below hyphen space assets slash, and click on pubget, clear this, and then click on pubget to add assets directory to our working project. Now select these three files and drag all the way to the asset directory and click on refactor. This is the icon image we will be using for our project, and these are the labels. And in last video I have shown how to create model and label, and make sure to watch it, link in the I button and the description. Now in main.dart we will clear all the unnecessary code. Now in lib, click on new and dart file and name it as slash slash screen, and then hit enter. One more time, right click on lib, new dart file, name it as home screen, hit enter, and go to main dot, copy this line and paste it. Splash screen right here, home screen right here. And now we have to make stateful widget home. So type stateful and type home. Now stateful widget home is created in home screen. Similarly in splash screen we have to make stateful splash splash. Now splash widget stateful splash widget is created in splash screen. Change the title from Flutter demo to cat and dog application, and next parameter will be home. Type splash and select the first one so that our package splash screen.dart will be auto imported. Make it a constructor to call splash screen, and our next parameter will be debug banner. Set it to false. See splash screen.dart package is added. Let's go to browser, and in readme section of splash screen scroll to how to use and copy this code, paste it instead of this container. Now hover over the splash screen. Since it says error, let's see, recommended is import library, so click on it to auto import package splash screen.dart. Now let's modify this code a little bit from second to 5, and navigate after second will be home. Select this one to auto import home screen.dart, and home constructor will be calling our home screen.dart. And let's change the title to classify cat and dog application. Let's give it a style of type textile and give it font weight. Font weight will be bold, so font weight class dot bold. And next one, font size will be 24. And next thing will be color. So to give color we will give deep orange. So colors class dot deep orange, and give it a weight of 60, and give it a comma and Control S to format it. Now next one is our image, which is screenshot. Rename it to icon.png, which is inside assets folder. So slash add the assets. Background color we want, let's say, blue gray, and let's make it darker by giving weight of 800. And this next line, let's delete it. And loader color we want yellow, so amber accent. And photo size we will give, let's say, 60 or 70. That's fine. Now come to home screen. Instead of container, make it scaffold widget, and First of all, we will give background color, which will be colors dot blue gray, and second parameter will be body, and give it a container, which will be an empty box, and in container we'll give padding. Padding will be its insets dot symmetric, and horizontal will be 24 pixel 24. Next parameter, that since it is a container, so give it a child of column. Inside column, give it a cross axis alignment dot start. And since it is a column, so we must pass children array, and inside children size box of height 50. Sized box is nothing but it will take a space of 50 since we are not passing nothing into it. So size box of height 50. Next parameter will be text, and we want to show code art, so type code art and give it a style of text style, and in text style will pass color of white, colors dot white, and font size, let's say 20, and save it to format it. And next, let's say size box height 10. It will take space of 10 pixels. And next thing will be text. Inside text, give it text of detect, cat, and dog, and give it a style, text style. Inside text style, pass color, colors dot amber accent, and then give it font weight dot bold or weight of 500 will be fine, and font size will be 30. Now it is good to, let's start our AVD. So click on this icon and then click on this play button to start our Android virtual device. Once it is started, so click on run. It is running our application. Wait for it. Oops, error happened. Let's see what it says. Cannot run with sound null safety because of following dependencies /screen. To fix this issue, all we have to do is spec.yaml, and here it is. Change the environment SDK from 2.12 to 2.7.0 and click on public. Now it is getting our modified dependencies. Process finished with exit code 0. Go to splash screen. Now click on get dependencies. Yes, and then all we have to do is rerun the application and see whether our issue is fixed or not. Now it is rerunning or running the get Gradle task. Oh, running. Fix our issue. Now let's modify the second from to 10 so that we can see the splash screen. The purpose of splash screen is to show the first screen, and we are not seeing it, means no sense, makes no sense. Here it is, our splash screen is running fine, loader is there, and here is our home screen. So far so good. Now let's add a size box of height 30, not 40, let's say 30. And next parameter will be container, and give it a width of 350, and child will be column, and inside column we will pass the children array, children array, and then image dot asset, and we have to pass the image part assets slash icon dot png, and now let's add a space sized box, and with height of 40. Reloading, let's say save it to reload. Here it is, our image is shown. Now next thing will be adding a button to our application for picking image. So maybe container, empty container, and inside container give it a width, and width will be full size, means media query dot of context dot size dot width. This means that it will take full width. Next parameter we will pass child, and child will be column, and column parameter children array, and inside children array let's say gesture detector, gesture detector we will give on tap. Oh, says since gesture detector is empty, so it says a little bit of warning, so let's give on tap. On tap parameter will be empty function for now, and it is empty function, and child, container, let's give it also width of full size -100. So same thing, media query dot of context dot size dot width -100, and alignment will be alignment dot center, alignment dot center, and let's give it a padding, edge insets, select this one, symmetric, horizontal will be 25, and vertical let's say 18. Give it a decoration, the box decoration, and inside box decoration pass color brown, so colors dot brown, and border radius we will give border radius class, border radius 6. It says error. Let's see what it says. Our border radius, it doesn't have a default constructor, so dot circular type border radius of type circular will be 6, and control save. Now our error is gone, and let's give a child of text, child text, text, and inside text we'll give click a photo, so that when user click on it, it will open up a camera to click a photo, and give it a style, of textile, color will be white, colors dot white, and font size 18. Now control S for reload. Now our one button is showing, it's showing one button, click a photo. So let's make another button for selecting photo from gallery. To do that, all we have to do is copy this gesture detector, copy it, and then first give it some space for sized box, sized box, height will be, let's say, 10 pixel, 10, and now paste that gesture detector, and all we have to do is change its text from click a photo to, let's say, select a photo. So select this click and change it from click to select, and everything is fine. So hit Control S. Now reloading, auto reloading is started. Here it is. Second button is also there for selecting a photo, and one button is for clicking a photo, and one icon is showing. So far so good. This is it, guys. See you in the next video.